morning, everyone, and welcome to Tip Time Thursday, Dog Edition. Today we're going to be talking about bathing the family pet, which, for those of you who know me, I have two very small dogs, a Shih Tzu and a Maltese, and I've had them since they were tiny, tiny, tiny little puppies. So I have always wash them at home. I can't afford to take them every week to a professional groomer. So I wash them at home a lot. And I never really thought anything of it. And then all of a sudden I have come into contact with other people who seem to think that that is really unsanitary to wash your pets at home. So I've been doing some research and I found out that I guess dogs do carry bacteria and germs that should not be shared with people. Common sense, I guess. So I'm not really sure what the issue is. If you're bathing your dogs at home and you're cleaning out the sink or the bathtub after you bathe them with disinfectant and soap, like I always do, I'm not really sure what is so bad about washing your pets at home. I mean, my dogs are very little. They're very pampered. I'm not going to take them outside and bathe them in the freezing cold water of the hose. They're just too delicate and pampered for that. So when I do bathe my pets, I usually give them a good brush first to get out all the mats and stuff out of their hair. And then both my dogs have allergy, so I use a prescription shampoo, which is kind of expensive, that I get from the vet. I have to leave it on their skin for 10 minutes for it to get its full effect. And then it's really important when you're finish washing your pets that you get all the shampoo out of their hair, because it can irritate their skin and cause them to have itching problems or sores and stuff on their skin if you don't get all the shampoo out. So I get all the shampoo out, I get them out of the tub, I dry them off, and I brush their hair. And then my next step is to go back and clean out the tub. I don't leave all the bacteria and the dog germs in my tub or in my kitchen sink after washing the dogs. I clean it all out and I use a disinfectant. And so I'm just curious as to what you guys think about this. Do you wash your family pets at home in the bathtub or the kitchen sink? Do you think it's sanitary? Do you think it's unsanitary? What do you guys think? Can you leave a comment and let me know? And I'm also going to leave a link below if you want to go over to my website and check out my other cleaning and decluttering tips. And you can subscribe to my newsletter that comes out once a week with cleaning and decluttering tips. So thanks for joining me today on Tip Time Thursday. And please let me know, do you bathe your pets at home in the sink or the bathroom tub? And what do you think about it? I'm really curious to know. Bye for today. Thanks.